We replaced the fuel filter here. I'm just trying to see if it's on here. Jeez. Correctly. Make sure it's not in there cocked. Okay, that doesn't look cocked there. Threads. I had to use vice grips because this right here, this fitting is a 16, and this here is a 21. All I have was a long combination wrench for the 21. I had 16, but I couldn't get enough leverage in there, so I had these vice grips to keep this piece here stationary. Uh, did the fuel filter. An O-ring came out with it. That's why I'm back under here again. I have a whole bunch of O-rings. I got green ones and black ones, but I don't have them on me, so I had to order some purple ones from eBay, NBR. You know, so I put a small one in here. I'll tell you the size later on, but I was able to get it in here. I mean, I hate these whole setups, man. I mean, to me, the Ford system for a filter is better. This General Motors junk, it's just, man, it's just, it's always like it's threaded down here, but in here it's just a slide on fitting. So why shouldn't it be slide on down here? And then what was up with the O-ring and the little collar that came out with it? I don't know, but anyway, I'm just down here to check for that these locking tabs are connected and that this thing is not in here cross-threaded, and it looks like it is in there fair. Now I have to energize the fuel system and check for leaks, and if there are no leaks, then this thing is done because it is nippy out here. It's not very cold, but I left without a sweater. I left with a t-shirt. Lucky for me, I always keep a sweater in the car. Not clean, but then again, it keeps me from getting colder than I already am. So let's go see if this thing leaks. And if it doesn't leak, then I'll post this up and then it'll be done. Now, if it does leak, then I'm going to have to cut this piece out here and then do what we did in the old school and just put some rubber hose here because I'm tired of messing with this because I don't know what that O-ring was and what it's supposed to do anyway. I mean, I'm pretty sure it's supposed to prevent leaks, but you got to be more descriptive for me. So anyway, let's energize the system and check for leaks and take it from there.